My name is Sam. I'm a driving instructor, and I am going to prank my student. She is about to be here. She should be here in a few minutes. It is 12:29, or in a minute. She should be here by 12:30. So I'm going to tell her. I'm going to tell her that I'm leaving the this driving school, and I'm going to. That it's my last day. See her reaction, because she only wants me as a driving instructor and she doesn't want anybody else. So let's see what kind of reaction I get. Oh, it might be fun. Let's see. I'm gonna tell her I got, somebody else. Another driving school hired me. So alright, we're waiting for her. She should be here soon. Yeah, they also call me Big Mac sometimes. Big Mac Sam. That's why I have my YouTube channel as driving lessons by or from Big Mac Sam, or by Big Mac Sam. Hey Rashida, you on your way? Oh, you're right here? Okay. Cool. There you go. Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you? Alright. Ooh. Okay, let's do this. It's cold, but kind of cold. I don't know. It's cold. You know, today's my last day.
Last day doing what?
Driving for this school. I'm gonna go to a different school.
So why would you tell me? Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
I have like 4 more classes, right?
Yeah. You don't want another driving instructor?
No, but I have 4 more classes in the package.
I know. I'm just messing with you. That kind of camera.
Because I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to go over there.
I just want to have me start crying. I just want to see your reaction.
I'm honestly hyperventilating.
Oh man, I gotta put that on YouTube. I gotta put that on my YouTube channel. Oh man, that was a good one. Alright, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this. I ain't going nowhere.
Okay, good. Don't be doing that to me.
No. What's today, Thursday?
Yeah,
Thursday.
So I'll see you on Sunday.
Okay.
And I gotta...
So what were you gonna do if it was true I was leaving?
I was gonna do my 5 lessons and then go to where you were going.
Oh. Today's your 5th lesson?
I think so.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
I think so.
Cool. That's a compliment. Thank you.
Yeah, or my 4th. It was, I don't know, I gotta see. But yeah, that's what I would have done.
Oh, alright.
I'm always talking about you. I said, you know what?
Oh, you 2 people? Like people
yeah,
you know?
in general, yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, thank you, because it brings people to me,
Oh, definitely.
I always tell people, if you have any brothers, sisters that need their license, they want to get their license, send them over.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my daughter to go get her permit and eventually start taking driver's lessons.
Okay.
And I told her about you because she gets really flustered.
Oh.
So this would be perfect.
How old is she? 17?
18.
18?
Yeah. Yeah, she's